Alright, well, this 12 millimeter, take this reservoir off. Just right here, the reservoir. Okay, I wanted to show y'all how I break these bolts on the water pump. See, because the water pump keeps spinning. For a person that doesn't know, good way to hold this, they'll be baffled. So look, it's an 8 millimeter bolt, some 8 millimeter nuts heads on this water pump. I put my 8 millimeter on there. Okay. Then I take this pry bar, I put some pressure on it. Not crazy, but enough. This is only what I do. Okay, hold on. Get you a good pry position. Not the easiest, but it's easy on camera. Key is you want to put some pressure on that wheel. I'm gonna try to do for y'all. See how I held that from moving? Let me go to the next one. Get you a hold on it. A good decent hold. Bam. Got that one. I think it's the last one, or it's did already. That's the last one. Alright. That, my friends, that's how I take them bolts off for the water pump. Now they all broke.
See? They already come out. You don't want to start taking them out till you have all of them broke. Which I don't know if I missed one or not, but we about to find out. No, I didn't miss one. You can leave the alternator in. I just took the alternator out. Give me some more space. So I'm going to take it out though. Oh, shit. Okay. Well, I'll be showing y'all what y'all need to do to get that. Well, if you got, what y'all need to buy, y'all gonna tell what's on y'all car. That's not gonna be the last time I got some oil. First time you do.
So, it's this magnet stick. Then I'm gonna show y'all. have access.
Got that boat. So only 4 boats. So what you do is you get this magnet stick. You see this? You get this. Then now I just go down. I can't see it, but it's a magnet, so I should grab it, right? I can help, right? And I'll grab it. Not like this. Must secure all the way. Tell me, y'all see it? Alright. Alright. Well, one boat to find. Make sure it ain't nowhere right here. I'll find it. Yeah, probably fell all the way down. Okay. Okay, the boat's on here is 10 millimeters. Alright, 10s and... We have a total of... We have a total of... Yeah, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 boats. Some of them are 10 millimeters. Alright. So some of them aren't. So far we got one boat down. The whole puzzle piece of fucking boats right here. Another one right here. I suggest break them. Break them first. One right there. If you're wondering about where your boats are at, all you gotta do is have your old water pump. Your new water pump, and go by the diagram.
That's what I'm doing right now. This is the top part of the water pump right there. I'm at that boat. I'm going to that boat. I'm going to that boat. All the way around. These boats are different sizes than 10. All right. I'll be right back with y'all once I bust all the boats down. And you want to get something to catch your fluid. Like you see, taking this boat out, that boat out. You want to put something down there to catch your fluid. Me, I don't think there's no fluid in it, but I'm still going to try to catch it. All right, I'm going to get right back with y'all. I need the light. I need your lights. Come on, now. Okay. That's the last one right there. That's the one right there, right? Dang. Okay. On that kind of way. I broke this one down. It's a unique view y'all got, ain't it? I broke this one. Gotta break this one. And there's some bull because that don't look nice, man. Okay, so yeah, I gotta get that boat. You gotta get that boat. Y'all see where that boat's at? It's behind that pulley, man. I have to hope that a wrench works on that. Okay, y'all? Wow. Now look, this is the thing, right? Oh hell no, that shit ain't moving. I can put something on it though. Alright. But I don't think it's gonna come out far enough to get on. No, it's not. It's not, man. So, gotta take off the power steering pulley.
second two, then you got that 1. So it's a half an inch, which is a 13. I'll probably use this much too. Another half inch right here. Okay. When you tighten these back, don't tighten them too tight. Remember that. Okay. I don't got all these untight. I'm hoping I ain't got to move that power steering pump. I'm just over here. I'm trying to just roll it down right now. Let me look at something. Let me fucking look at something, man. Oh, no. I think that's where it was leaking from all the time, right there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you see? That's where it was leaking. It was leaking right up in there. I see the drips right there, so I'm pretty sure that's exactly what it is. We got some we got a little bit. Oh no, it's this. That's cool. So, what the okay, so we gotta take off the shell, right? That'd be nice. Well, guys and girls, it would be nice. Okay. Alright, let me just undo the rest of these. Alright, wait, it's gonna snow. I'm trying to get this over with before snow comes. Got one more to loosen. I think all my damn fluid's gonna start coming out then. And
okay, before I cut it off on accident, y'all can see right there. That's one bolt. You go through the hole inside the power steering pulley. You go through the hole in it, and there's another one almost right up under it. Right there. So what I'm gonna try to do right now is loosen them up enough so I can pull the power steering pump out this way, enough so I can get this bolt out. Then the rest of them will come right out way a lot easier than shit. It's business. It's over with. All right, so that's where I'm at with it. Then I'm gonna go back through all the points, show y'all when I put it back together. But no, I'm gonna get right back to y'all right after I get this bolt out. So, got those 2 bolts out. The lot I brought my car from, or whoever they had put this water pump on the last time, didn't put this other bolt in down here. It's supposed to be another bolt down now. I went to the junkyard and got that one. Okay, this, I didn't take it all the way off. Y'all see how I got it? See? I ain't take it all the way off. Alright. Now what I'm hoping is this is all the way out though. Right here. So I'm hoping that I can just move the water pump after I get this one right here out. So y'all just hold fast right quick. I'm gonna see if I can just get it done right quick.